ये क्या नाम, निहारिका के शर्मा, हाँ जी, हार्दिक ब्रह्मन, इन्होंने पूछा, निहारिका ने पूछा, will this Lokpal will also work in recession also? That's interesting. Shirya Oza says, execution is not delayed if the new system is set up from top to bottom. Will the inertia not creep up? Well, we'll have to stay alert. इसीलिए हम लोग जैसे लोकपाल बिल के बाहर रहेंगे, डंडा रखने के लिए कि काम करते हैं कि नहीं करते. Others who asked this questions are Shashank Kuti. He says, as meant for anti-corruption, the Jan Lokpal bill has rocked the hearts of the citizens. But does this bill pull a question mark on the credibility of Anti-Corruption Act? No, it doesn't put a question mark on the Anti-Corruption Act. It only exposes the inadequacies and weaknesses of the Act. We only wish to strengthen it. But the definition of public servant and corruption has been lifted from the Anti-Corruption Act itself. But Anti-Corruption Act does not have the powers to recover stolen money. So we are covering up the inadequacies of the Act. Is the Jan Lokpal a fourth dimension to legislature, executive, judiciary? No, it's a part of the executive. Ajay Chaudhary says. Srikant, we are all corrupt this way or that way. Scenario is, Teri bhi chup, meri bhi chup. What is the solution? तो मैंने बताया क्या अभी तक? कौन बोल रहा है? तो ये बताया क्या अभी तक? अभी तक बताया क्या? मैंने रामायण पढ़ा तो दी. अब दिवाली मनाना. How Lokpal bill can come helpful to SME entrepreneurs? ये क्या? सुशील, selection process Lokpal should be very transparent. वो मैंने बता दिया सुशील. MS? Oh, micro. Oh, ये भी होता है कोई? Micro, small, medium enterprise. How Lokpal bill can helpful be? Oh, उतने छोटे इंस्पेक्टर आपके पास कमाएंगे अब. आपका पैसा बच जाएगा. ये पूछा था पुष्पेंद्र चौहान. Praveen Patel, how can Jan Lokpal drafted by the few people without consulting all political parties member at the without taking confidence bill? ये तो drafting है. It will go back to be improved upon. ये पूछा है Praveen Patel ने. That ये तो draft किया गया है. उसके बाद it will go to select committee. Select committee के बाद parliament उसको debate करेगी. So they can add wherever it's inadequate. It will be finally passed by the parliament, not by this committee. Committee is only like a clerical draft. That's all. Amitabh Nagori, is your opinion what will be the end result of the current cases of CWG and 2G? What is your vision for India in 2014 after implementation of Lokpal? 2014 में मिलेंगे और फिर assess करेंगे. और मेरी ओपिनियन ऑन CWG है कि 1 साल तक सजा हो जानी चाहिए. अभी तक 1 साल तक सजा हो जानी चाहिए, लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट. तब जाके करप्शन गिरेगी. दे मस्ट गो. बट उस एंटी करप्शन में लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट है ही नहीं. 3 या 4 साल मैक्सिमम है. तो इसलिए वो 1 साल रुकेंगे, फिर आ जाएंगे, बेल हो जाएगी. बेल होके फिर कन्विक्शन नहीं होगी बड़े सारे साल अगर, तो फिर इलेक्शन भी लड़ लेंगे. तारीख पे तारीख पता नहीं. Anyway, let's track. Here's an experimental case. लेकिन तब तक अगर लोकपाल आ गया तो फर्क पड़ेगा. Why we fail? ये पूछ रहे हैं. इन्होंने नाम ठीक से नहीं लिखा. JD क्या लिखा? Why we fail? Because we are not united. Of course we were never united. हमको तो लोग बांटते ही गए. कास्ट में बांटते गए, रिलीजन पे बांटते गए, एरिया में बांटते गए, लैंग्वेज में बांटते रहे. आज अन्ना हजारे ने हमको ट्रूली जोड़ा है. He's united us against anti-corruption. रेणुका नेहालनी, punishment those guilty to be decided by committee of. नहीं, punishment वो नहीं decide करेगी लोकपाल. Courts decide करेंगे. Courts decide करेंगे based on the evidence. Rajan Vyas, what is the argument put in by all and not to include? जब तक हम corruption को ऊपर से नीचे तक include नहीं करेंगे, उतने avenues खोल देंगे. आम आदमी की आवाज नहीं मानी जाएगी. We have to include all. But we can keep precautions, as I said, for judges, 6-panel member of Lokpal in a time-bound manner. So that's a special consideration for judges. Same thing can happen even for Prime Minister. ये repeat हुआ. Suo powers are there even today, but hardly being used. You are right. Dankesh is right, but they're not being used because your system is so weak. Which body will use? CBI? No. CBC? No. And Vigilance Department? No. So who will use suo motu? Suo motu has only been used by the court sometimes. It's taking suo motu cognizance. But how many times will Supreme Court take or High Court take suo motu cognizance? Sometimes district courts have also taken suo motu, but there are very few who take suo motu. G.K. Jain, ये मैंने की इंग्लिश समझ नहीं आई, सॉरी इनकी राइटिंग मेरी जैसी गंदी है. अनुपम गुप्ता, will the Jan Lokpal will be transparent? Of course yes. मैंने बता दिया आपको. कमाल है अनुपम गुप्ता जी, मैंने इतना कुछ बताया याद नहीं है. सुरेश वकील, as per latest TV report, Baba Ramdev is favouring government side as far as inclusion of PM in Jan Lokpal bill. How will such other issues be tackled? उन्होंने क्या बोला है? बाबा रामदेव फेवरिंग गवर्नमेंट साइड एज पर के पीएम को ना करें, मालूम नहीं, जाके पूछते कल. पालक सेठ, टुडे वन वांट्स टू बाय अ प्रॉपर्टी, एटलीस्ट 30% पेमेंट नीड्स टू बी मेड इन ब्लैक मनी. बिल्कुल 100% राइट, मैंने आपको बताया. स्टैटिस्टिक्स आल्सो शो दैट. You see, if we work with integrity, taxes will fall. You will see taxes will fall. That means more money in our own hands. Then you don't have to go in for 30%. The taxes will fall because there will be so much more revenue with the government. Do you think Jan Lokpal bill is enough to prevent corruption? Yes, it's a beginning. It's a beginning of the change. बाकी कोई questions नहीं है. लेकिन Dankesh Oza, Sanoki Kari, Mahesh Tendulkar, it's a repeat. Aruna Lakhani, Nirav Chanyash, computer engineer. Tell me soon we have to start the district. Please tell me from we have to start at district level. What do you mean? Nirav, what do you mean if Nirav is in this hall? Form your own district anti-corruption bodies. Form your own anti-corruption lobbies, particularly youth, particularly girls. If young girls can become anti-corruption bodies, बहुत फायदा होगा उसका. अखबार में न्यूज भी आएगी, पुलिस भी उनसे डरेगी, और लड़के उनके पीछे लग जाए. लड़कियां आगे, लड़के पीछे. It will work. Avi Sabiwala, she said we need simplification of laws. That's correct. Shruti Jain, how do you ensure that bill will cover all sectors against corruption? It has been mentioned. Any one of you who is interested in knowing more about the Jan Lokpal bill, go to that website, anti-corruption, indiaagainstcorruption.org. And you can be members of the SMS community also. There's a phone number. I'll give you a phone number. Give a missed call on that and you will be part of the network. I'll give you the phone number before we finish. Common man will help in the Lokpal by prevention, by information, by being a whistleblower. Common man can be a whistleblower. And we have included whistleblower protection also in the bill. Sandeep A.K. Patel. Even more scared of police, though they are the protectors. Now for this, where these people shall